Hi everybody, welcome back to my Corvette only channel. It's great doing these daily vlogs. I appreciate you taking the time to check back in, and I apologize if I sound like I just rolled out of bed, maybe even look like that. No, that's not the case. My voice is still shot. You saw in yesterday's video, I was at the National Corvette Museum. Boy, was that a lot of fun. I think we're going to have to break that into 2 episodes this weekend. Here's a little preview what I've got coming for you from our trip. Hey Jim, all I gotta say is that's one good looking car. Hi Rick. Hey baby. Hey, fantastic. Hey, we're at the Corvette Museum, baby.
A very nice little old lady that looked up at 2 gentlemen and were asking how to use the stripes around Matrix Gray, and she just looked right straight up at them and said, "Young men, if you drop your navy blue sweater in the laundry with your whites, that's what color your whites are going to come out."
Actually, you just get the nacelles as carbon flash, but I think if you're going to do that, it's better to do the top and the nacelles in carbon flash. And see what a nice look it is? So you'll have this definition on your color to break up that that's the nacelle. Jerry's wife just told me, she goes, what did you think?
I didn't believe him when he told me he was going to get another Corvette for me.
And he said it best. He goes, we can't just go past this. And many of you do. How could you just go past? You've got to get off and come here to the National Corvette Museum. Right, Anthony?
Completely agree with him.
All right, guys, I want to tell you one story about this last surviving 1983 Corvette. I'm not going to cover it as well as John, the tour guide, did. But do you know this car was saved by a set of cowboy boots? The other nice thing about doing these daily vlogs, I get a chance to share stuff with you guys in real time, or possibly share some clips we haven't posted on the channel yet. And I don't want those to get lost or buried in the shuffle. I want to share those experiences because after all, this channel's about you guys and this cool car. Now, because I was out of town yesterday, I'm just looking at this one right now. I want to show you guys this real quick. Now, little by little, we're acquiring trades, and we're also still purchasing cars, select cars from people that we need for inventory that will present opportunities for you folks. This car here was sold from our dealership new. A beautiful 2014 Laguna Blue. It's a 3LT, and many of you have not seen this interior. We'll do more of a feature on it tomorrow. A brownstone interior, and I absolutely love the brownstone interior. Actually, I think it would work really well with some of the combos on the C8 mid-engine Corvette, so who knows if they'll bring that forward here in the coming years. Because I was out of town, I don't have the miles and that kind of stuff and the pricing, so we will have all that stuff for you guys tomorrow. Well, we were just outside talking about things not getting lost in the shuffle here on the channel. Some of you watching are subscribers, and you get notifications sometimes from YouTube. And many of you watch just because you enjoy watching, and you get home at night and you're scrolling through the internet, jump on YouTube and see what's going on. It's easy, especially with us doing daily vlogs, for you to lose some videos lost in the shuffle. So just a quick tip here, if you would. When you go to our website, my Rick Corvette Conti homepage, click the videos tab, and then you can scroll down and you can see in real time, if you're sorting by most recent, you can see the uploads. And then you can click on a particular video that you want to watch. But here's the key. The thumbnail is so hard to tell the story of everything that we're talking about in a video. And I refer many times that, hey, read the description down below, or in the description down below there's a link. So if you're on a desktop, you click a particular video, and then you scroll down, and sometimes you got to hit the show more, and then there you go. There's a description of the actual video in which you clicked, and if you scroll further down, you can see other links to other videos, or sometimes there's something more hot topic on a certain hyperlink that you need to click right now, stuff we're talking about, the online car shows or things of that nature. You can find them there. But what if you're watching on your phone? Okay, so let's take a look at a phone. So when you're watching our channel on your phone, there you go. If you click a particular video, when you scroll down on the far right hand side, there's a little gray arrow. Sometimes you'll have to hit that arrow, then it'll populate the description of the particular video that you're watching, and then as you continue to scroll down, then yes, you'll see all those links. Then if you scroll all the way down past all these other videos, then there's where the comment section is. So if you're logged into your Google account and you're on our channel, you don't have to be a subscriber. If you're just logged into your Google account, you can leave a comment on that video right there. So thanks for doing so. I'm looking forward to doing more daily vlogs with you guys, and we're not done yet today. If any of you have had me on the phone, you know that I just continue to talk and talk and talk. Well, when I'm coming back from the museum yesterday, I'm on the phone talking to Greg in California, just immersed in the conversation. I know where I'm going. Well, I thought I did. Next thing you know, I tell Greg, I said, hang on a second. I'm going through a tunnel. He says, what, you gonna lose me? I said, no, there's not a tunnel on my drive home. I had no idea where I'm at. You guys have done that when you're driving, listening to a song, deep in thought, in a conversation on the phone. Man, I was about an hour and a half out. I ended up going into Indiana. I was trying to go north to Ohio. I had no idea where I was. I said, man, I gotta go. What a mess. It was crazy. But hey, coming up tomorrow, more real-time stuff for you guys, so you know what's going on, what we're doing, what to expect, and what you need to do in regards to 2021. We've got order guide information for you, pricing, and a whole lot more. Now, before we actually go today, I love it when I have the opportunity to do business with members of our military. Here's a quick send-off for Paul in Virginia. Man, it is so much fun dealing with you guys. Got this call from Paul in Virginia, and he goes, is this Rick? Oh, I didn't know I was gonna get you. I thought I was gonna get one of your people. I got people? Man, my job just got a lot easier. If I had people, oh my gosh, I could be dangerous. No, man, it's just me. I do it all. And if there was nobody here to clean your car, then I would do that too, because I'm not afraid to do whatever it takes to get it done. Thanks for your business. Thanks for watching the channel. Congratulations on, yeah, we do a lot of new Corvettes, but this is a used Corvette going to Paul. And Paul, I just want to thank you again, not just for your business. I know you've served our country in the military. I appreciate that too, very much, sir. See, I told you I got to be careful when I'm in the street. This guy just drove by and he goes, hey, people that love Corvette know of Corvette, but don't really know that this is not the mid-engine. He drove up and he goes, hey, is that the new mid-engine car? So we are getting a whole new class of buyers. Welcome to the family. Anyways, Paul's car is a beautiful 16 Z51 coupe, man. And they're gonna back this one in, so I don't know if I'm gonna do a send-off pat or I'm just gonna smack you in the face. What's that? Want smack in the face? All right, you got it. I'm talking to an ex-military guy, smacking in the face. Am I stupid? I'm sorry. No disrespect, but here it comes. Congratulations, Paul, in Virginia. Oh, yeah, man. Thank you so much. Now, guys, remember when Mike was here from Utah and the nice little RV he had and the nice trailer? That was perfect for him. He had everything he needed in that trailer, in the rig, in the RV. But this, bam! Big Daddy right here. This is how we do it when we ship them all over the country to you guys. These monster trucks right here. Thanks for watching the channel. Thanks for the business opportunities. Thanks for making me a part of your Corvette family.